Alright, good morning guys. It is, oh man, it's like 4 o'clock right now, and anyways, I'm pretty tired, but we're getting up to fish Lake Winnipesaukee today. I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be my first time catching a salmon, and hopefully I'll catch a lake trout as well. I really want to catch into a lake trout, because I think that would be sweet. I've never done that before. So 2 target species fish, beautiful pond, or beautiful lake I should say, Lake Winnipesaukee up in New Hampshire. It's gonna be really cold, but we're gonna do some trolling around up there, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. I'm gearing up right now. I've got everything on my back, as you guys can see. Just a huge backpack full of gear. Lures, everything. I'm gonna throw this in the back seat, and the boat's all geared up. We geared it up last night. I even brought ski pants because it might be pretty cold. So anyways, stay tuned guys. Thank you guys for the support too. I know you guys been watching, you guys been leaving comments. I really love that. Keeps me the motivation to keep going, keep setting out new videos. So I'd just like to thank all you guys, and hopefully this video will be pretty good for you guys. So
throw that in the slot over there.
yeah.
Let's throw this in here.
That works. Just let me know when you're ready.
Good to go.
Good? Just let me know when you want to.
Metal? What do you got on? Metal?
Yeah. Just let me know when you want the chair.
That's good. I remember coming up here and your fucking hands would be freezing. Fucking trying to fish.
Stripping line on
Yeah,
the fly
fucking
rod.
snowing.
Yeah.
The thing I don't have with the kid here is a flashlight. Getting to have him taking a good one. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
I just hooked up to a fish. We're out here at Lake Winnipesaukee.
Shut the boat down. Okay.
That's good.
I did it. Stay fishing.
Yeah.
Alright then?
Yeah, I'm good. My appendix kind of hurts, but this makes it better.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh man, get that net for me if you could. Here, let me see that net.
I got it. He's gonna run when he gets to the end.
Yep, he's jumping. Oh, come on.
Alright, how's your appendix?
It hurts, but...
Yeah, that's the worst net job I ever
Oh, barely got him.
I don't think he's 15.
Wow, no, I don't plan on
Nice
keeping him.
salmon, huh?
Here, bring that over to me.
Alright,
Wow, he did run when I got him, huh?
Yeah.
You need to wet your hands quick before you touch these guys.
Good job, Brad.
Wow.
You're gonna let him go, but
Oh,
I don't know
yeah.
if he's 15.
Whew, there we go. First salmon. Wow, what a beautiful fish. Doesn't get any better than that.
You want to just throw him on? Let's just see how how big he is.
What do you do here?
Yeah, from the
14,
Jeez,
15.
If you squeeze his tail, you can keep him. He's a keeper.
I don't really feel like keeping them though, to be honest.
No, well, you never had one. They're really good eats.
Wow. Look at that fish. Hopefully we'll catch.
Alright, if you don't want him, let him back in.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to let him go.
I would eat him, but I'll wait.
Well, if you want to eat him.
Let him go.
This is my first salmon. We're gonna let him go now. If you could get the release on camera, pick up the camera and film.
Yeah, alright, he's good.
Beautiful fish. We're gonna let him go. Oh man, they're strong.
Yeah,
what a fish.
Alright, go easy on his stomach there, Brett.